Hi, let me show you how to change SIM pin on iPhone. For that, we need to go in phone settings first, and right now select the section cellular. Then if we scroll a bit down, we'll see this whole tab about your SIM card, such as your number, network selection, and so on. So from the list, simply pick SIM pin, and now if it is activated, so the switch is green, then you'll see this blue option to change your PIN code. So click it, enter your current PIN code. If you don't remember it and you didn't change it before, then you can go in Safari, for example, and input this phrase: name of your network provider with default SIM pin, and this is the result. So in my case, for my network provider, default SIM card PIN code is from 1 to 4 or all zeros. So tap here to change PIN code, enter your current one, then click done and enter new PIN code. And now you need to confirm it by re-entering, click done, and it's successfully changed. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.